Hey everybody, today I'm showing you another cool anti-gravity toy. This is an anti-gravity dehumidifier. Puts on a cool optical illusion effect. Creates the illusion of water drops going up. It uses strobing light. So it's not actually happening, but the way you look at it, your eyes are tricked into thinking droplets are actually being dragged upward. So let's see how it works. So this is everything you get. It's pretty easy to set up actually. It also has a clock function. So you get these. This is removable, so you can actually set this up. So I've actually used this a bunch of times to entertain my cats. I never actually used it for what it was supposed to do. My cats love this as a toy. They play around it, they drink the water, so it's actually fun that way. You can remove this, set this up. Now this has this hourglass design to make sure that water doesn't end up on your desk. I personally remove it when I play with my cats, and it doesn't actually cause a whole lot of mess. But it's nice to have that option just so you want to have peace of mind. This is your clock. Multiple versions of this available. So the deluxe version has all the air humidification, light blocking shield, negative ion. You have these little holes there to actually set the clock up. There you go, so these two holes. I've never actually used it. I don't use this as a clock. As I said, I use this as a cat toy mainly. Just gotta make sure that you have enough water, but not too much water. You put that there, and that's it. So it actually locks. So you don't have to worry about that dropping. I'm assuming any adapter with these settings should work. I haven't tried it, but this is the adapter that it actually shipped with. As you can see, there's a switch in the back. There's also your power port. To set the clock, you just have to use something like this. This looks great during the day, but it's especially cool at night. Now if I get this with 24 frames per second, it actually looks normal on video, whereas if I go with 30 or 60 frames per second, you can actually see the flashing light, which you don't see in person. Just want to be careful not to move it too quickly, because this is what happens. It sort of needs a little bit of time again to calibrate and get back to normal. Now I've removed the top just to show you the difference. And I'm going to remove both of these glasses. These holes here, change to an hour and minute. You can always put this back on. So that's about it. For more information, please go to Gadgetify.com, also youtube.com/Gadgetify. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to check Levitating Waters, which is the best anti-gravity water fountain that I've tested. That has more features. It has knobs and switches that you can use to change the direction, the size of the droplets. So that's pretty cool. This is a little bit more limited, but it has have a clock and humidifier function, and it works right out of the box. It doesn't really need any setup. It's already calibrated. So you just have to pour some water in, connect it to your power source, as you said. Thanks for watching.